you go.
Alright, so 2019 was an amazing year for our car and for us. We did a bunch of events, we beat the car as hard as I could pretty much. We broke a bunch of stuff, but it's time to disassemble everything, take every single part out and inspect everything and put it back together and make an even more amazing car. Right?
Yes.
Oh, I almost forgot. Thanks for all the partners that we had. I mean, people say it all the time, but it's truly, we would not be able to do what we did last year without our sponsors and partners and family and friends and spotters and mechanics and everybody. So thank you everybody for 2019 and stay tuned for 2020. We're going to LS Fest. We're probably going to go to Grid Life, both events, and then we're going to do pretty much the most fun events that we know. We're going to try to go there. Right?
That's right.
Alright, so the camera died and you guys probably missed some of this. It was a pain in the ass because one of the tiny Allen 4 keys were stuck, but nevertheless I got the windshield out. Now I have to get this rear section out and just tag along, keep watching.
I wonder what happened there. Some strange alien marks.
Yeah, a lot of rust.
Rust.
So as you see, we have this nice setup angled backwards that we can drain the coolant. It's just water, so we can just drain it in the common drain. Oh, not a single coolant leak.
This after we put the radiator in the back.
Yeah, it's just the wires and everything. I think is it a good idea? I think it's a good idea.
It's really close to the battery.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Plus the battery. Ew.
Is it okay it's going through the radiator?
Yeah, it's fine. It doesn't have chunks or anything. Plus we were gonna wash the radiator anyways. Ew. Yeah, we can wash it next time better. The water is draining from the back.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's empty. Somebody knows how to blow. We're gonna have to drive the car in the back where it's supposed to be real quick because it doesn't have coolant. It's okay, there's an oil cooler, but still, let's not push it. No more donuts. It's pretty interesting. You know, everything was fine with the car, but we're still disassembling it, so. Yeah, this is the first year we didn't break anything, except axles. Not axles, stub axles, right?
And diffs.
And this, yeah. Yeah, no, nothing else broke. Yeah. Well, on January 1st, 2019, we blew an engine. Other than that, nothing broke. Yeah, it was one of the best drift years. Ow! Motherfucker's hot. Yeah.
Woo! One more. Okay.
One of the things I hate the most is disconnecting the injectors. There's Delphi style injectors that on the truck that are decapped. They're such a pain in the ass to remove, it's unbelievable. So, yes, let's get to it. That's pretty much how long? Like an hour and a half tops?
Yep.
And yeah, disassembled most of the car. Like all the body panels, radiator, body panels, cooling system,
Battery.
Accessories, engine wiring. We're pretty much ready to get the car on the road. And all the start draining fluids.